How to assemble this tricycle. Tools required for assembly: pliers, screwdriver. Take the main body, insert axle to main body, place rear wheel to axle, fix wheel with help of quarter pin. Place rear wheel cap. Place front mudguard to handle with. Fix front wheel complete to handle. Fix handle to main body. Fix seat to main body with help of butterfly nuts. Place rear basket to main body with help of machine screw nut.
Take the music toy, open the battery cap. Place 2 AA batteries. Now place the music it to the handle with the help of a nut.
Now this dash tricycle is ready for your baby to use.